Hello everybody, this is Brad again on YouTube, and this time I want to talk about Swiss Army's fragrance Altitude. And this is one of two different Swiss Army fragrances that I own. And Swiss Army, to their credit, does a good job with fragrances. I think their first one is great. This one is good as well. It maybe not as good in my opinion as the first one, but I still wear this one quite a bit because this is a full-size bottle, where my other bottle was a mini, so I try to save that one for special occasions. And yeah, this one has kind of like a mossy smell to it, kind of outdoorsy. In fact, once I sprayed some Kenneth Cole Black on one arm and this on the other, I thought they smelled very similar. So pretty similar to Kenneth Cole Black to my nose. And the bottle is cool. It's almost like a fire extinguisher. So it's very solid, very cool looking bottle. So yeah, maybe give this one a try. Swiss Army Altitude.